What's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Opia. Hey, you guys. So I just want to say shout out to Mefa for sending me this awesome manicure kit that I'm super duper excited to show you guys. Y'all know I love me some polishes because I do nail art. So I have all the things that's included. You see the pamphlets that tell you how to use the gel polish. And we also have this mini kit right here that has all the things you need for an awesome manicure. Okay, so it has a display, a brush, manicure brush, the buffers, you know, all the things that you need for a manicure. It's just great for beginners and your DIY people that like to do their nails at home. And this cuticle oil, okay, is very moisturizing. Plus, the most thing I'm excited about is this cuticle remover. I'm super excited to use this cuticle remover. I couldn't wait to show you guys how it do, and I was just super excited. And let me tell y'all, it brings 2 top coats, 2 base coats, and a matte, which I love because I run out of top coats so fast. And we're just gonna take out all these colors and get started. But I do want to let you guys know that this kit is almost $60, and there's gonna be a Black Friday sale, and for that sale it's gonna be $24.99. and if I was you, I would grab that kit. Okay, I feel like it's good to like buy stuff like people that you know that's interested in nails or anything like that, because Christmas is gonna be, you know, people are looking for stuff on Black Friday sales to, you know, save for Christmas gifts, you know. So I would say while it's, you know what I'm saying, while the price is low, go and get you some of that, okay?
Love me your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Have me baby, no one again, no one again. Got till the morning, my one is up on your early. I just wanna get you sorry. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you there. Girl, I want you there.
As you can see, these colors are stunning. They have absolutely every color that you could think of. Fall, spring, winter, you name it. They have all the colors, okay? Okay, so right here I'm just using the cuticle remover, and as you can see, I love this little tube style because it's easy to put on the bottom, like where my cuticle is. So I just have to put this on here. It squeezes out easily, and I really like it. It's convenient. So I'm just squeezing it out, and the directions say to, you know, leave it on there for a few seconds. And then after that, you would take your cuticle pusher and just push your cuticles gently, and they should come up easily. And yeah, I actually like it. And I will use this on like my toes and stuff, and when I do my little toes, because I be using the file. But anyway, this cuticle thing did what it was supposed to do, okay? 10 out of 10 for me. So we're gonna do the pop-off method. So I'm just using this top coat to put on my hands so I can do the pop-off method, and I'm gonna cure it in my Mefa lamp. Okay, so you guys, I decided to do like a almond shaped nail style this time around. I wanted to do something different. So I decided to do almond shape because I wanted to do like a cute multicolor French tip design. So this is just going to be the application process. I'm not going to talk much through this application process. Yeah, so I'll just let you watch it and then I'll come back when I start to do the polish.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mind and being light, the big night. Can you open up the doors to let me in? Can you open up the doors to let me in? You good with the hurt inside, on top my head. As I sing the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no doubt. This is the truth with no faults. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no frame. This is the life with no pain. This is a place with no shame. If you thought I'd be distracted, baby boy, I'm gonna distract you now. If you couldn't be reminded, baby girl, I'm gonna remind you now. Tell me what you need to find out. 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 It's been burning on my mind now. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find them. Be so bad vibes. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, love is somebody talk. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my everything, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on go and sit down. I go just para, come on find jigger. I go just play, follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look on your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith?
So I'm using all those nude colors to do like this cute fall theme type of nail design, well, French nail. So yeah, I decided to put a thin layer of base coat, and that way it'll make the polish a little bit, you know, go on smooth, like my lines will look smooth. If I just put it on a plain nail, you know, I'd rather put the base coat on there. That way my lines will be a lot smoother with the base coat.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel this. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on then. Calm down when you see.
So I just want to say thank you guys. If you stayed this long, thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, I love this nail set. This came out so cute, and you guys know that I am not the best when it comes to almond shape, but this is a really simple set that anybody can do. Even on your natural nail, you can do this type of design. It's such a simple set, and I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel, and the link will be down below for a discount, and I will talk to you soon, you guys soon. Bye.